second. Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, those guys are traveling really fast, man. Let's try to chase them, catch him up. Let's see if we can beat him. It is very stable bike, the Interceptor at higher speeds. No one. What are these there? Oh my god, look at these bikes. Wheelies. What is up, guys? Hope you're doing absolutely fine today. I've come for a Interceptor test drive of the settings that I've done here, the changes that I've done. I'm just going to adjust the camera, but this is coming in the way. Just 1 second here. Yeah, I think this is better, and a little bit more. 1 second. Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, those guys are traveling really fast, man. Let's try to chase them up. Let's see who these guys are. I think one of the bike is an Interceptor, the other one is a GSX 750 from Suzuki. That's a 100 plus bhp bike. I'm sure we'll be able to chase it. Let's give it a go. Let's push it! So guys, this is a 779cc, 114 horsepower and 81 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM. It's an absolute beast. 16 liters tank. It's a beauty. And the tow weight is 215 kgs. God, he's going very fast, man. Not sure we'll chase him. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Yeah, there he is. Let's see. We can try to catch him up. Let's see if we can beat him. This is a 47 bhp versus a 100 bhp plus. It's really keeping up with it, man. 160 plus. This is an absolute beauty. The benefits of a good speed there. Damn, man. This can keep up. Look at that guy go. Look at him go. Let's go again. Let's try to chase him again. That's really fast, man. It's got a motor shot 650, 750cc. It's a 4-cylinder engine, man. It's got traction control, ABS, dual channel. Oh my god. It's a naked sports bike, man. It can do really fast speeds. It can touch about 230, 240 kilometers and still we're keeping up with it. It's absolutely fantastic. Mind-boggling. We've touched about 150, 160 now. Oh my god. Must be going at about 195 plus, yeah. But the benefits of a windscreen. Oh man. That's how I'm going to keep up with him. This guy's going really fast, man. Look at him, look at him. Look at the pole that he's in there. Fantastic. He's really meant to go fast. This bike is really meant to go fast, man. 750cc, 114 bhp versus 47 bhp, 650cc Interceptor. He's really keeping up with it, man. Fantastic. Let's see how much he can hold on to longer. But this thing is doing very well. Interceptor 650. It's really keeping up with it. We are consistently doing 150 plus. Only doing small dips below 150. I'm not sure how the audio is coming. I hope it's good, man. It's really fast now. This bike is doing really well, man. No wobbling, nothing of that sort at all. 160 plus, baby. Fantastic. We're really keeping up with him. The windscreen makes a big difference, guys. Absolute fantastic difference. If you're gonna get tired earlier than I am, definitely. In the long run, you'll be getting tired more as compared to me, man. That's a sport naked bike. The position of the foot pegs are back, laid back. And the handlebar is also a little bit forward as compared to mine. I've also got handlebar visor sport, and the handlebars are closer to me as compared to the GSX S750, man. He must be really getting tired as compared to me, as mine is a cruiser. I hope you guys are enjoying it, man. It's really top-notch stuff. Battle of the power versus battle of the most stable power. It is very stable bike, the Interceptor at higher speeds. No wobbling, nothing of that sort at all, man. I've got the handlebar extended. It makes me more comfortable riding. Fantastic comfort seat and fantastic stuff. Oof, that guy's traveling really fast, man. He's doing 190 all consistently, average about 160 kilometers, man. Really difficult keeping up with that chap, man. Mine is full throttle. I've fully extended the throttle. Can't do anything more. That's a breather. Oh boy, this is really good, man. This is truly fantastic power of the beast. Interceptor being pushed to the max. Guys, you really have to be careful. Only do this when the roads are clear, man. Very less traffic. Only then do this. Do not try this. This is an experienced people going. I think that chap must be a very well experienced chap. Let's see what it does. Fantastic stuff, man. Really powerful bikes and being tested to the max. This is capable bike, man. It can do. I wish that it had more grunt in it. The kind of stability that you've got in this vehicle and the kind of refinement that the engine provides, I believe if the RPM could have been extended, you know, this could easily touch about 190, 200. 190 at max can do that. Fantastic stuff, man. Oh boy, this guy's very good, man. He's in full flow. He's in full meat. Oh, there's a big bump there. There he goes again, man. Let's chase him. Oh my God, he knows that I'm trying to catch him. He's just at a glance. He knows that I'm chasing him, man. Just imagine a 45, 47 bhp chasing 100 plus bhp, and that 100 bhp vehicle is not able to dislodge me. Taking nothing apart, man, that bike is in a different league altogether. But still, Interceptor can keep up in average, not in speed, but in average in the long run. You won't be able to keep up in that making, doing 160 plus, and there's no shred on this. I can even push it further if it had the grunt. That's nothing, you know, 160 is nothing. For this vehicle, 165, 170. I've touched 180 in this. At higher speeds, you really feel those bumps, man. This guy's in for a shock. There he goes. There he is. So guys, I'm just taking a breather now. As always, when he saw me, you know, chasing her for a long time, he slowed down. He couldn't cope up. I knew with the body position, you won't be able to travel that fast for that long of time. So guys, that's about it for today. It was a fantastic ride, Superbike ride, fast ride. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Taking your leave and SUZUKI Turbo signing out for today. Until next time, keep riding, keep learning, and as always, stay safe. Oh boy, what are these, yeah? Oh my god, look at these back wheelies. Oh my god. Alright guys, let's leave this for the next time. SUZUKI Turbo taking your leave and signing off.